As the first rays of sunlight pierce through the thick canopy, life awakens. The jungle stirs from its slumber as birds take flight, singing songs that echo through the endless green. In this world, survival is a game of strategy. The predator lurks, unseen and unheard, as it waits for the perfect moment to strike. This is the law of the jungle, an eternal dance between life and death. But the jungle is not just a stage for giants. Beneath the towering trees, a microscopic world thrives. Here, even the smallest creatures play a vital role in keeping the ecosystem in balance. And then, the heavens open. The jungle, accustomed to the unpredictable, embraces the rain. It is both a blessing and a test for the creatures below. As night falls, a new cast of characters takes the stage. The nocturnal creatures rule these hours, navigating the darkness with senses sharpened by evolution. In the jungle, every moment is part of an endless cycle. Birth, survival, death, all intertwined in the fabric of life. It is a world both unforgiving and beautiful, where every creature has its place.
Hello friends, welcome back to DeepMind AI. Today I'm super excited. Now you have to forget Sora, and now China is coming out and China has launched a new Minimax AI tool. Minimax is a new realistic AI video generator, and guys, this one is really amazing and impressive. Minimax is the latest AI video generator to come out of China, is already making waves for its ability to generate hyper-realistic footage of humans, including accurate head, hands movement. And this is something other tools have been struggled with. And the best thing about this video generator is that this one is backed up by the world's biggest company, Alibaba Group and companies. When the official demo was shared on X, showed the trailer for Magical Adventure, where a child touches a coin and it is transported through history. The best part of demo video which was shared in X is consistent character and realism, all made from just simple a prompt. So friends, without wasting time, let's dive in and let's use Minimax and let's create our movies, videos, create documentaries, and now realism is in Minimax. So friends, let's get started. So friends, most important thing is that Minimax has developed AI video generator under the name of Hailuo AI. So first you have to search hailuoai.com, but you don't have to worry for anything. For ease purpose, I'm going to keep this link in description, so you can check the link in description and you will be on this page. As you can see that this AI tool is in Chinese language, so we have to convert this to English. Then we will utilize this app in order to create videos. So to change a language, all you have to do is just right click on your mouse and then you will see the option and translate it to English. So friends, right now here you have to enter your prompt. Right now this version is absolutely free. You can create unlimited videos, and they have also option you can also create song with the help of Minimax app Hailuo AI. So right now we just have to enter the prompt. For easy purpose, what we are going to do, we will ask ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will help us in writing prompt. I just asked ChatGPT to write a action movie scene prompt for me. Now ChatGPT has written the prompt for us. All we have to do, we have to copy the prompt. We will go to Hailuo AI and just click here, create videos. And now we have to paste the prompt here. And once we're done with the prompt, all we have to do, we have to just click on generate. And friends, this process will take at least 2 or 3 minutes. So we have to wait for that. So once this will be done, after that, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for a song. And after that, we will create a song with the help of Hailuo AI. So friends, that simple prompt, we got amazing output. So let's enjoy this scene. So friends, hope you enjoy this session. Stay with us. We are going to create a full movie based on AI with Hailuo AI. If you like this session, please share, subscribe DeepMind AI. Thank you so much.